Welcome to one and all. It's Rishika Saurabh Jaiswal, and I'm assistant professor and from DBCOP Nagpur. I would like to share some content about the corona for creating a social awareness. Through this video, I would like to share many updates, many impacts, and social awareness regarding the corona. And my topic of talking is experiencing COVID-19 in healthcare system pharmacy. Welcome to my webinar. Let's start with the webinar. Uh, my content is I will tell you about what is corona, updates in the India, impacts, socially, economically, politically, and in healthcare system, transmissions, symptoms, preventive measures, virology testing, diagnosis, treatment, ongoing clinical trials, myths related to COVID-19, and what will happen if the outbreak comes. Okay, and what we can do in this lockdown period. Okay, I will tell you what is novel corona virus. So COVID pandemic, it is also called as COVID pandemic. Novel coronavirus is ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease caused by the several acute respiratory uh, syndrome. Means ये होता कैसे है? It is developed by the syndrome that is acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Coronavirus को ही साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज में बताया जाता है कि वो सार्स कोवाइड बोलते हैं. मीन्स वो स्प्रेड एक्यूट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम से होता है, इसलिए उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म दिया है सार्स कोवाइड. और ये जो कोरोना है अभी जो चल रहा है उसको बोलते हैं कोरोना 2. ओके, तो आउटब्रेक, ये इसका जो आउटब्रेक है सबसे पहले वुहान चाइना में फर्स्ट टाइम इसका आइडेंटिफाई हुआ था. So later, World Health Organization declared it as pandemic situation on the 11th March. Okay, till on date, we have 6.5 million cases worldwide in more than 188 countries, more than 3 lakh 86,000 deaths, and 2.8 million people have been yet recovered. Next slide, I will tell you about the history. Uh, this corona is outbreak or worldwide known after the first lockdown near about on 15th March. Uh, but it was first case was found on 31st December 2019 in China. Then they reported to World Health Organization, and the cluster of an viral pneumonia cases of an unknown one causes in one investigated a large and in the first half of January, means in the first 15 days of January, there were about on 30th January there were about 7,800 cases, confirmed cases worldwide in the 19 countries. Okay, but when there were a case study of this patient, then it was declared that they had visited Hunan Sea whole market in the wholesale market in the China. Okay, and thus it was known that this virus has a zoonotic origin. Zoonotic origin means it is developed from the animal. The virus that causes the outbreak is known as SARS-CoV, newly discovered virus, have an resemblance with an bat coronavirus and pangolin coronavirus. Next, I will tell you the updates. Updates are COVID-19 cases in India. Till date, till 8th June, we have confirmed cases 2.5 lakh cases. Active cases are 1.25 lakh cases. Recoveries are also same. Death are near about 7,200, and fertility rate is 2.8 in 35 states, means 28 states and 7 territories. Next, I will tell you the one by one state ratio. Till now, Andaman, Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep Islands doesn't have any cases. First, Andaman also reported 33 cases, but it is now it is free from the corona. On the pandemic situation, our Maharashtra has an outbreak situation having more than 85,000 cases. Following to that, Delhi is also having 27,000 cases, more than 27,000 cases, and following to that, Gujarat is also having 20,000 cases, and many other cities such as Tamil Nadu and many other states are having many um, ratios. Next, I will tell you the major event which are followed in this COVID situation. And the first case was found in India. It was on 30th January. So on that situation, on the airport, all mandatory screening was adopted. Means mandatory screening was there from 4th March. On 12th March, we got first confirmed death. मतलब जो भी आउटब्रेक हुआ है जिसके अंदर हमको जितने पेशेंट्स मिले उसमें से फर्स्ट डेथ 12th March को हुआ है. On 15th March we get 100 confirmed cases. Means on 15th March it was just 100. The number was just 100. Now after 3 months we have the situation is uncontrollable. Only India is having near about 2 to 3 lakh cases. Mm, after this, I would like to tell you on 22nd March we offered 1 day Janta curfew. Next on 25th March we that it was announced that there is a national lockdown till 14th April, and on 28th March means from if you are seeing the screen on from 15th March 28th March we have uh, the cases were from 100 to 1000, means it increases by 10%, 10 times, it increases 10 times. Then on 14th April we had got 10,000 confirmed cases and our lockdown was increased till 3rd May. Next, on 1st May, national lockdown was further till 17th May. Means lockdown is increasing day by day, and our situation is also increasing day by day. So here at the last on the 3rd June, we are having near about 1 lakh confirmed case, and we are having uh, 1 lakh confirmed recoveries. We are having more than 3 lakh patients, and we are having 1 lakh confirmed recoveries also. Our deaths are near about 5,000. Now I will tell you about the social impact. This pandemic situation is harassing or impacting on the social and economically political also. This closure is affecting the commercial establishments such as uh, shops, restaurants, malls, hotels are also closed. We are having a great impact on a global recession, that all are being unemployed. Many of the peoples or public is suffering from the unemployment due to they had traveled or they returned to their native places, and cancellation of transport, sporting, religious, political, cultural, all events are being cancelled. Worldwide supply of the shortage means due to that is panic buying, means for avoiding the risk of infection the people are buying many of the things uh, at one time. So this can be create a worldwide shortage. um, Decrease emission of the pollutant. One thing would happen in this corona situation is that the pollution is decreased. Later school, universities, colleges are totally closed in 177 countries, and many of the exams such as CBSE, JEE mains are postponed. Next, on economic impact is BSE Sensex witnessed that it is a flash crash over a UN report that we are impact about US dollar 348 million in the India, and we are having the position 15th worst economies, and our Asian Development Banks has estimated that we had a loss of about US dollar 29.9 billions to Indian economy, means we are in the loss of 29.9 billion. Entertainment, in entertainment sector, that is all the cinema halls or serials or web series are being closed or shut down due to this worldwide infectious disease, that is corona. um, exodus of the migrant worker, that is this all lockdown created that the factory workers shut down and they become unemployed, and unemployment created that they went to their native places for reaching the native places in the lockdown situation where there were no public transport. At that time the people walk for the hundreds of kilometers or thousands of kilometers to reach their native places. For that, the government announced an immediate relief camps, and also they are arranged the Shramik special trains for migrating the workers. Next, impact of the corona on the healthcare system. That on in health department, what is the effect on the health department? That is, WHO reported that 1 in 10 the health worker is infected with the corona virus. Till now, 90,000 healthcare workers are infected due to this, and 260 nurses has been died due to this pandemic situation. Next impact is shortage of PPE kits or not knowing about the PPE kits and how to wear or how to handle these PPE kits. It also created a risk of infection. Next is violence in the healthcare worker. That is these violation, that is public uh, is against the healthcare worker, that they are not getting the health facilities in the hospital, as there is more rush in the hospital. What the health worker will do at that time, it is also the part of an healthcare system that they are facing, the health worker are also facing the violence from the public. Next, how this transmission of COVID-19 takes place. Um, it is first, this infection is affected by a droplet or coughing, sneezing by the infected person. As all know, consumption of infected animal product, contact with an infected animal or person, or through the public places or transportation or public meeting or social gathering. Next is the symptoms. There are many symptoms of the COVID-19. That is, first, if someone is suffering from fever, fatigue, shortness of breath, loss of sense, congestion, sore throat, nausea, vomiting, running nose, diarrhea. These are the common symptoms of COVID-19. And a complicated situation or the severe conditions such as pneumonia, so if someone is suffering from the pneumonia or acute respiratory syndrome, first this person must go to the health center and must do their checkup. Next, preventive measures. What we can do for preventing from the COVID situation. First, there is worldwide ads are there for washing the hands, uh, covering the mouth with the mask while coughing, maintaining the social distance, wearing a face mask in the public sitting, self-isolation if they are infected. Authorities worldwide implementing the travel restriction, lockdown, and facility closures, means there are various malls, shopping centers are being closed. Through this ad, I want to tell that our Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of India has made some of the ads for making the social awareness, what to do and what to not do. First, again, I would like to tell the preventive measures such as always wash the hand with and soap or alcohol-based sanitizer. Cover your mouth with the tissue, handkerchief, or mask, and Of course, dispose that mask or handkerchief after 6 hours, or at least wash it, or at least change it in within 6 hours. Again, next ad about social distancing, and always keep a social distancing. Here, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India has declared some of the toll-free numbers, email IDs, and helpline numbers that you can see on the screen. If you are having certain symptoms, you can contact this toll-free number, helpline number, and you can mail it to. Um, Next, I would like to tell you about the travelings. If someone is having the traveling history, first, when if you are traveling through the airlines, if you are having certain symptoms, first you inform to the cabin or airline crew. Always you wear the mask. uh, don't have a close contact with your family, or you are publicly, to avoid an infection. First you attempt a 14 days self quarantine or self isolation. And this is also the here, I would like to give one message: stay protected, stay safe from the novel coronavirus. Next, I would like to tell you about the virology. Okay, how it is this virus is getting spread. As I had first said that it is spread from the severe acute respiratory syndrome, and it was first found in the Wuhan city, China. And as I had said that it corona is this type of corona is corona 2, SARS-CoV-2. It is having a zoonotic origin. It is genetically the cluster of the genus beta coronavirus, having a 90% identical to the bat corona and 92% to the pangolin coronavirus. Next, I will tell you about the testing for the COVID-19. That is, there are two types of tests: viral testing and antibody testing. Viral testing is for the current infection, and antibody testing is for previous infection. The research are going from the convalescent plasma theory for identifying the developed antibodies. There are, and again, remote monitoring of the COVID system, COVID biobank, COVID-19 off-label treatment registry. Next, how this diagnosis takes place. This diagnosis is confirmed by the reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction testing, where nasopharyngeal swabs are taken, and this due to CT imaging, we can identify the antibodies, and this is the serological test. There are the various drugs uh, such as hydroxychloroquine, fapinavir, lopinavir, remdesivir, vitamin, intravenous vitamin C, oral vitamin D, and various the drugs in the class such as antiviral, antiparasitic, antibiotic, and immunologicals. First, I would like to tell you about the chloroquine. Chloroquine is related to the antimalarial category, and it is also used in autoimmune disease. Uh, it has proliferatory or used in the treatment of SARS-CoV infection. Although it has some pharmacological activity, such as it has a QT prolongation, which may lead to the cardiac dysfunctioning, and this QT prolongation inhibits the CPY3A4 enzyme, means cytochrome 3A 4 enzyme, uh, at a high plasma level. Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine enhance the risk of QT prolongation, where I would like to suggest that these drugs, means chloroquine with the antibiotics such as azithromycin, and antiviral drugs such as ritonavir, lopinavir, or zinc-based cofactors can be taken for the treatment of COVID-19. For example, hydroxychloroquine combined with the zinc as a sulfate of 220 mg drug per day in the 5 days period can save you from the this COVID-19. Lopinavir, remdesivir, and vitamins are certain um, drugs which are in the clinical trials. Next, I would like to tell you about various categories of the drug, that is antiviral drugs such as fapinavir, remdesivir, ribavirin, and omnifenivir. antiparasitic, that is chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, mefloquine, and ivermectin. Antibiotics such as minonin and azithromycin. Immunological such as type 1 interferon and anti-IL-6 agents such as tocilizumab. Next, I would like to tell you about ongoing clinical trials for the COVID-19. There are many drugs which are in the clinical trials such as azithromycin, anticoagulant, ciclinocid, cimetidine, colchicine. Okay, first, cimetidine, it is also just suggested for the COVID-19 situation. Colchicine is having a Montreal Heart. It is researched in the Montreal Heart Institute, Canada, and here it is having uh, an effect on the mild symptoms of COVID-19. Um, it is also effective drug. Second, I would like to tell you about the ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is also having certain reducing the severity of the progression of lung injury, which result in the breathing difficulty. This is also the drug which can heal the injuries which is often formed in the lungs, and many new categories of drugs such as uh, famotidine, such as it is suggested in the current situation in the COVID-19, and fibrates such as fibinofibrates and bisafibrate is also suggested from the life-threatening symptoms of COVID-19. Nanophenetides are also used in the lymphoma indication or infection. Naclosamide is used in the candidate antiviral or in vitro drug screening assay in the South Korea, and sildenafil is used in the treatment. It is ongoing in the phase of phase 3 clinical trial. Now, I would like to share some of the myths related to COVID-19. There are many rumors that no meat, no corona means if you don't eat non-veg, then no corona will affect. Some of the politicians, such as Swami Chakrapani, has spread the rumor that if we drink the cow urine or we apply the cow dung, then we are not affected with the corona. Next, so social impacts such as many of the northeast Indians, such as they look like an Chinese on the border of Tibet and Myanmar in the Kirikorai Malal. Kirori Malal College in Delhi and Tata Institute of Social Science in Mumbai and other institute in Kolkata have also faced an harassment, and this student had filed and harassment case on the authority that they are getting trouble to this corona situation in different manner. Next, there was an also myth like Tablighi Jamaat is spreading, or their congregation in the Delhi has resulted in the outbreak of corona. This is also a myth. Some of the public in where the health workers are being in their neighborhood is also there a myth that if they are working in the corona ward or they are serving the corona patient, then they are infected. Means these health workers are also facing the problem that means they are infected to the corona. Means I would like to say that if someone in your neighborhood is working in the health department, please don't boycott that person as though they are serving the India in this terrible situation. Many other myths are there. Now I'd like to tell if what will happen if this outbreak situation prolong, if it again extended for 2 3 months, what will happen. Means authorities will need to regulate the reconsidered status of the outpatient service. Means time dependent, life saving, and sensitive towards this case. uh, and many of the priorities and our authorities will need to make the strategies for restoration of the comprehensive and elective services should be revisited, revised, and periodically as that outbreak involve. Next, at the last, I would like to tell you that as I made this PPT or webinar for sharing my knowledge. This I had done in this lockdown period. You can also do the good things. You can also read. You can also spend the time with your family. You can also make some creativeness. Many things are there that you can explore. So I would like, at the last, I would like, the period which you are getting, please don't waste that time. Explore in many different things. Means what you like, you do that. If someone is having some passion regarding making some creative things, you can make at the home. If you are having the passion of singing, you can explore that. Many other things are there, you can explore it. At the last, um I would say thank you for listening my webinar very politely, and thank you. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you.